Wow. Look at this. This is unbelievable. All right, let's see what we're dealing with here.
Yeah.
Heavy corrosion, looks like it's been sitting for a while.
Yeah.
That bolt is completely seized. This is gonna be a challenge. All right, let's get this off. There we go, one step closer. Almost there. Keep the beads steady. Locking it down now, ready to test.
Precision is key for this build.
Looks perfect. Time to elevate this to the next level. Time for the moment of truth.
Bro.
Hear that, baby? Pure power. Yeah, that's more like it. Insane. Absolutely insane. The Skyline is finished. Let's race.